Hi everybody, do you want to learn how to make video like this or like this? The process is called tracking. Come, let me show you how to track text, objects or even faces on CapCut. Okay, click on CapCut like this, new project, look for the video. I think this is the one. Let me quickly do quick edit. Okay, this is where I want it to start from. Click on it, split towards the end, click on it, press delete. Okay, let me just do this is good like this. Alright, we look for where we want our tracking to start from. From here, click on text. Let me use my name, Zach Media. Let me look for nice font. Let me use this. Okay, this one is good. And to this place, you can adjust it or make it bigger. It depends on you. Click on it. Then let's look for the end where we want it to end. Okay, from here, I just want it to end here. Split up, click, delete. Make your text active. Then look for tracking. This is tracking here. Drag the tracking to your hand. You can make this bigger. Then you click on start tracking like this. Okay, so let's play back. Let's see like this or here like this. Want to do the second one. Let me look for another text. This time let's use template. Let me use time. Please time this time. Alright, so you can adjust the timing yourself, depends on you. Okay, so this is it. Let me position it to where I want it to be, adjust it, and make it active. Tracking again, bring your tracking to adjust the box, make it bigger. So the importance of making this thing bigger is just for it to have room to breathe, and it's just to make it more flexible. Then click start tracking again. So always remember to check where you want it to end. So click here, delete. Then let's do the tracking again. Click on it, go to track. Alright, then start tracking again, reset this. Alright, can you see that? This okay, so let me quickly show you how you can track your face too with emoji. Let me click split this to 2. Sticker, look for sticker, emoji, or even face. The sizes, I don't want it to cover the face entirely. Okay, so let's position it to where I want it to be, like this. Position your emoji too, then go back to tracking, make it bigger, then start tracking again. object, text, object, or even face. Okay, basically that is how we do tracking on CapCut. I hope you find this video interesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at ZachMediaConnect. And I will see you on the next one.